Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, how is your day? I hope you have a good day and I hope you are still healthy. Back again with me Faras at YouTube on Kisquat and Celtic with me, as you know Faras. Today we will continue discuss the material CCNA and I hope you will understand this material. So if you have any question about the CCNA material, you can ask in the comments column. Okay, in this video we will talk about the DHCP VLAN in generally, and we're going to make a lab at Kisco Packet Tracer. If you don't have or install Kisco Packet Tracer, you can download it on kisco.com. Okay, I will telling to you as DHCP at generally. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, as you know, is DHCP, is a protocol based on client or server architecture which is used to facilitate the allocation IP address in a network. Network local that do not use DHCP must manually assign IP address to all computers. If the DHCP system is running on a local network, then all computers connected to the network will get an IP address automatically from the DHCP server. Besides IP address, DHCP also provides parameters such as the default gateway and DNS server. DHCP will automatically assign IP to VLAN that have been determined by the admin, because the DHCP requires layer 3 function. In this topology, we must use the router. Okay, yes. After this video, we will try to configure DHCP at MLS. As we know, multi-layer switch have the two level layer 3 and layer 2. Okay, simply in my opinion, the DHCP VLAN is if you wanna make lab or practice and the situation, we must configure 15 computers. Is so many computers. Okay guys, so tired if we added one by one IP address to PC, and that because the DHCP showing up to make easier to configure. Okay, DHCP is so important in the network. Why? Because if we not configure the DHCP, the IP address, we must add IP address one by one in other PC. As you know, if you have Wi-Fi or anything, you have turned on the mobile data, you can check the IP address. Is as usually as we know, the IP address will DHCP. You receive the IP who has configured the DHCP goes to your device. Okay, simply that is DHCP. Okay, we must add the VLAN in the switch, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. We will not add the IP address goes to the PC, because we will change the mode go to the DHCP at the last video. Okay guys, we're entering goes to the lab, goes to the switch first, goes to the CLA, so you know. Okay, we wanna add the DHCP. After this, we must turn on the switch mode trunk first. For the interface goes to the router. Switch port mode trunk, don't forget it. Okay, after that, we must add the VLAN for PC in the green side and the blue side. Okay, for VLAN 10, we will not give the VLAN name because this is just two VLAN. Remember, if the VLAN is many like 15, you must edit the name. Okay, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Sorry. After that, we must edit the VLAN goes to the interface. For the first, I will added the VLAN goes to the interface FA0/2. Interface FA0/2. Sorry. Switch port mode access. Don't forget the command for the interface VLAN goes to the interface or added VLAN goes to the interface is switch port mode access, and switch port mode switch port access VLAN 10 for PC0 or FA0/2. Okay, after that we'll continue again in FA0/3 for the blue side. Switch port mode access, same, switch port access VLAN. Okay, done for configuration at the switch. We are done. Goes to the router for our new device. Okay, just type no. Okay, goes to the enable. Same for the opening is enable and configuration terminal. And after that we make the first, as you know, sub interface. Previously on lab interVLAN, we will discuss about interVLAN and about we wanna connect it in the different VLAN number and different IP address will connected by the interVLAN who have the layer 3 function. As you know, you can watch that in the previously videos and interVLAN. Okay, first we're gonna make inter for FA0/0. As you can see on your screen, the interface is off. We will changing to the up. Just type no shutdown. Okay, you can now see the color changing goes to the green. After that we want to make sub interface for the VLAN 20 and VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. FR0/0 and dot 10. First for VLAN 10 encapsulation mode, don't forget it. Dot key the number of the VLAN 10. Okay guys, and added IP address. IP address is I will make 11. Okay, 11 plus 1. Don't forget to edit subnet mask, and done for the sub interface for VLAN 10. We will continue again for FA0/0S20 for the VLAN 20. Don't forget it. Encapsulation mode dot key 20. IP address 22 22.1.255.255 subnet mask. Okay, we can see on the module encapsulation. Just encapsulation first for the interVLAN goes to the our materials is DHCP. First we're gonna exit again, and we must add the comment this IP DHCP full. You can feel free to add any name or number, and I will give the number for VLAN 10. Okay, after that we gonna make the IP address first. Network, this is is default network for gateway, and DNS server, as you know, the DNS server I will put the DNS for the Google. Okay, we'll continue again. Net is network, you can see on your screen. Net, don't forget it, the network we added and add sub interface for the VLAN 10 is 11/0. Okay, network start from 0 guys. Do not entering subnet mask, this is default. Okay, sorry, we must add subnet mask, I forget it. Yes, after that we'll continue to add default network for the gateway. Okay, /1, as you can know, default router, sorry, /0. Do not enter in subnet mask, this is for just gateway. And if you wanna add DNS is okay, but if you not add DNS, this okay. DNS server 8.8.8 for DNS Google. After that exit, we want to make IP DHCP for VLAN 20. Net again same 22. Okay, don't forget it guys, that's 0 because this is network. Okay, default router, don't forget it, 22.22. This is for gateway 22.1. In DNS same for Google. Okay, we are done to config the inter-VLAN sub interface for the will connected VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 by using encapsulation mode, and after that we make the IP DHCP pool for configuration DHCP in this material. Okay, we're gonna test it and check that at PC, goes to the PC. Okay, main to desktop configuration. Previously on other video, we must edit the static IP address. We must edit static IP address. This is so tired because of wasting time. If we guys to make the DHCP, this more easier. Okay guys, we'll change the IP configuration goes to the DHCP. This is requesting the IP address. As you can see on your screen, the DHCP request is successful. Why? Because the configuration we make is successful. You can see the DHCP is 11. Same, we're gonna add this at VLAN 10. Subnet mask and gateway is the same at we did configuration on router. We'll check in same the VLAN 20 and the blue side. We're gonna changing goes to the DHCP. DHCP is request is successful. You can see on your screen. Same, the configuration is right, and we will try again to ping to our neighbor is VLAN 10. Ping, don't forget it, the IP address goes to the VLAN 10 or PC0. We are waiting for that. Okay, as you can see on your screen, the configuration is in. Replay from the PC0 goes to the PC1 is okay, is done, because we entering and added the encapsulation mode for the TOOS VLAN. Okay, I think for this lab we done. Thanks you guys for the watching. If you have any question, you can asking in the comments column, and if you wanna make the module, I will make it for you guys. You can request it and I will send to you. I hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to your friend. Those who wanna learn about CCNA Kisco. Back again with me at learning Kisco and Mikrotik with me Paras. See you in the next time. Peace.
Jungle.